that. Yeah.
Deer up there, or maybe is that a deer? See it up there? I think it is a deer. That'll do. That'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
And my eyes just caked.
My eyes.
For real. Just caked with dust.
Be crying mud.
Yeah, I know.
Trying to get some footage while it's not raining. Good call. This is it. American Basin. It's beautiful.
The Great American Basin.
Great American Basin.
This is what everybody always talks about.
It's so great, yeah. It's like, it's not that great. Underwhelming. What's up, y'all? We made it to American Basin, and this is kind of our turnaround point. So this is the farthest we're gonna go today. And we're gonna hang out here for a little while, check out the surroundings, and then we're gonna head back over 2 passes to get back to Creede. So it's been interesting. Been a lot of bumps, not metaphorically, like literally. Our rental side-by-sides have bottomed out on a few rocks, you know, hit the skid plate and all that, but that's to be expected. But we got some clouds rolling in, and I'll show you more in a second, but it's been sprinkling a little bit, but it hasn't come, you know, an absolute full rain yet. But a little sprinkle would be okay, because it might help knock down some of the dust that's on these trails right now. It's so dusty. But you know, I've got dust like on right here. You can probably see it built up under my glasses. I've probably got it on my nose, who knows what, but that's what happens when you're out on the trail. So here we are, American Basin. Some of the guys are over here on this side climbing around, checking stuff out. It's real pretty this time of year. Well, I mean, I guess it's real pretty all times of the year, but American Basin is kind of known for its wildflowers. So you can see, a couple years ago when we were here, I got some more detailed video of the flowers and stuff, but there's just so much more people here. Last time we were here, we were like basically the only ones here. And this time you can see the parking lot is full. Yeah, people parking outside the parking lot just to have a spot. So there's a lot of people. Man, it's such an awesome view. I wanted to walk up part of the hiking trail over here. Actually, if you guys watch my videos from last year's trip, that you saw that my hiking boots absolutely just got trashed. The soles came right off. Like I literally walked out of the soles of my hiking boots. So I got some new ones before the trip this year. They're really nice. They're more like cross country. They're like halfway between hiking boots and cross country shoes. So definitely nice. Nice and comfy. So right now I'm in and among some of the wildflowers that you can see out here. I couldn't tell you what they are, sorry. It smells really good over here though. Like I distinctly smelled some mint at one point. Like I was walking over here and I smelled mint. But couldn't identify it. These are some giant dandelions, by the way. It's so peaceful and quiet over here. It feels so nice. Nice enough that I can wear this denim jacket and it feels comfortable. So I'm not gonna walk too far up here, but I went on the other side of where all those vehicles were parked, just so you can get a taste. And look, wildflowers on the path. Absolutely beautiful. There's a little waterfall up here, and I wasn't gonna walk all the way over there, but this area is just so awesome. There's a hiking trail. You might be able to see those people over to the left. It goes along that side and comes up across. And there's actually a lake on the other side. I can't remember the name of the lake, but it's only accessible by hiking. So if you're an avid hiker and want to do that sometime, more power to you. All right, I don't know how much longer we're gonna be over here. I've just kind of been walking around and enjoying everything, the peace and quiet. It's a very light breeze that's blowing. Once we're done here, we're gonna be heading back over Cinnamon Pass. We didn't stop on the way over, coming over this way, because we wanted to get here as quickly as we could. But we may stop at the summit of Cinnamon Pass on our way back. The rain that was coming in, the sprinkles seem to have gone away, so I think we'll be all right. It is usually a little windier on the top of Cinnamon, so that's the only thing to worry about, really. But like I said, when we were coming over, it wasn't too bad. Hopefully it will stay nice, and then it's from there we're pretty much gonna beeline it back as much as you can beeline something in the San Juan Mountains. Yeah, we're gonna head back, try to get back to our trailer before dark. If not, we've got headlights, but I really don't want to do, there's parts of Stony Pass that I really don't want to do at night. So hopefully we can get back. I think it took us 4 hours to get over here, if you count all the time we stopped, so that wasn't too bad, maybe 4.5. So if we have fewer stops and shorter stops on the way back, should be golden. Hey there, fellas.
Hey, man.
What's going on?
Hello. What's up?
Y'all had enough? Are you sick of it yet?
Well, my eyes are sick of the dust.
Not enough.
My eyes eat
Sick
too
and
much
tired.
dust.
Not looking for the 4 hour, 5 hour ride back.
Was
Yeah.
that the ETA? 4 or 5 hour with the stops?
Yep.
We can make it. We can do it.
Yep.